5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop.
New ads.
On the bellows, Lust.
Might grab though.
If two of these die, help with the bomb bags. Yeah,
Skull
help.
on my side. X and skull on my side. Gataka up.
Oh,
I need to eat more.
Okay, we're done.
Thanks. Let's get ready to move, bros.
I still need 6.
Get it done. We're done early. You're doing fine.
One more, we're done.
Go, 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 go. Healy CDs. Finish off what you can. Like when you get 3 security guards, I want you to look forward to us killing one. So just mark it and say something and be like, "Yo, I need my bro's help" or something. Whatever you want to say.
Range tech on purple. Let's go
Take
fix
your
it.
foreman.
Foreman right now. Come on, guys. Cleave off the foreman for this. We're gonna be getting fire collars in a second. Here we go.
quick off our call.
Cleave off the collars now. Target the collars until that slag dies.
First is my
That's
bad.
on.
Boom.
On a
One
punch.
shot this. Big deeps. Hot. Come on. Bigger deeps. Press those buttons real fucking hard.
Yeah, sorry.
Give me the red.
Skull tell more targets.
Fire colors.
Let's burn this berserker. Security guard real quick.
Slag's gonna go down. We're gonna be cleaving off the primal.
It's going down.
Target the primal. Get on it. More deeps on the primal. Come on.
On circle.
DPS on skull while we wait for the slag. Melee can take these flags down range, just keep on top of those
Flags
security
on now.
guards. On the primal,
Calling her.
need to kill it here, on the primal. Fire callers,
With the green.
This car.
Kill it.
fire callers, then X.
Next is part.
One fire caller left, is X dead?
Yeah, it was fine.
Fire caller, bring it in, Moon.
That's it.
Ready for primal, here we go, it's exploding. Primal,
Next is Lloyd.
there's some cleave on these fire callers.
Circles in.
Do not hinder.
Good circle, a little bit closer, interrupt it. Good, a little bit closer. I don't know if it's close enough.
It's not close enough.
Rain.
Is it? No, it's not.
Get on Moon.
Fire callers. Daughters, keep your dots on those security guards.
Moon's going.
Need to kill this primal here, get ready. On the primal.
Next one's farm. Kid.
Move over, buddy.
This one can get that intro. Yeah, cool. On to caller.
Hinder.
Let's kill X real quick.
Callers, callers, callers. I heard Junior Axis, I'll explain later. Deception Onk.
Flags on now.
On the primal now. Big damage.
Next is Diva. Do not use armor.
I need you guys to kill X. Kill X while we get that circle here. Fire collars are up.
Use armor. So.
Life, I need you closer, dude.
Close, close, close. Perfect. Get ready to kill this. On it.
Next is
Getting
Panda.
collars.
Did we get the collars? We got the collars. On the two fire collars and the security guards. I've got the boss.
Range, start moving to the
Get
Just trank
into
this
the
one.
wall.
Trank this one.
Gotta
Exception
clear
link.
guards real quick.
Okay, get behind the boss if you're not
Third
fixated.
fire caller.
Melt on
Fire
front.
collar on the fire collar. Get on it.
It's on your totem.
Get me up.
Exception type.
One last security guard.
Still a fire caller.
It's stunned. It's dead.
Move with the boss. Move with the boss.
Be in range of the tank here. Boss is fine now. It's good. Good for a while.
Security guards are dead.
We're all good. Just relax. DPS. Keep healing. Stay in range and stay alive.
Deception's Link is next. We have a lot of externals.
Use them when you're at 2 stacks, guys.
We have less than 30. Back up.
Get Blade up. Connor, sack me.
Fox the moves.
Glory.
Yep.
Sabin.
Warp. Lust. Whatever.
Keep the tanks alive. That's the only thing I can
Somebody.
say.
Good, we're good. We're
Bloodlust.
lusted.
Bloodlust.
We're lusted. We're good. Somebody else. Somebody else if it didn't reach everybody.
We got it now.
I'm gonna put a barrier down soon. Make sure you stand on it.
Take him.
I have no mana.
Got
Okay.
it. Booty's still taking damage.
Stack spread if you got fixated.
Blade
No.
sack.
Devo.
Blade sack Mike. Connor sack me.
No, what the
Have
heck
iron
did you
pipe
want?
running.
Just call for it.
Taking him up. I should be fine for now.
If you see someone with fix it over their head, don't stand on them.
Just keep the tanks alive. We have
Stay
Mike's
calm,
booty.
guys.
Mike's Zul'jin.
Stay alive. Tonics. Tonic it up.
Trank is almost up.
Do what you
Trank-
need to do to stay alive.
Don't heal me.
Deception.
Connor
Link.
second.
Push it.
Okay, just relax.
Take him.
Got it.
Find an empty space and get it there.
Deception, use your tide when it's up.
Good job, guys.
Holy shit.
Yeah, motherfucker!
Yeah!
Motherfucker! Blast Furnace! Oh my god,
I was gonna
so
cry.
fucking good.
If we didn't kill it that time.